Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to delete your Epic Games account on Fortnite. So let's get into the video. So open up Fortnite, so get to fortnite.com. So once you're on your page here, so log into your account. You must log into your account so that you can delete your account. So once you have logged into Fortnite here, so what you're going to do is simply click on this account option here, so on your top right. So you'll see an account option there, so simply hover your mouse over there and then you will get to your account information. Simply click on the account information here. So once you click on the account information, so you'll get to your settings here. So all you have to do is scroll down. Simply scroll down all the way down where you will see a request account deletion option here. Simply click on it and then it's going to ask you if you want to delete your account. Just hit on delete account. And then once you hit on delete account, so this will send a security code to your registered email address for verification. So all you have to do now is simply go to your registered email address and then plug in the security code sent to your email address and then hit on the confirm account deletion, and then your account will be deleted within 14 days. So that's how you can delete your Epic Games account. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.